Hello students, in this video I shall explain about polynomial. I shall make clear concept of polynomial in this video. But before making you understand about polynomial, first of all I shall explain about four important points. First, algebraic expression. Second, real consonant. Third, variable. Fourth, exponent. And fifth, coefficient. Let's come to understand algebraic expression first. An algebraic expression is a combination of real consonant, variables, exponents, and algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here in this definition you will see consonant, which is here, variables, which is here, exponent, which is here, and algebraic operations also you are seeing. First, I shall make you understand what is algebraic operations. Algebraic operations are of four types: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are called algebraic operations, which are used in algebraic expression and also in polynomial. I think you know about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division because you know about these points. So I shall make clear concept of real consonant first. What is real consonant? Any number. First of all, you know about real. What is real? Any number is real. Any number is real number. And what is consonant? Consonant is the number which cannot be changed. Suppose 4 is consonant because 4 cannot be changed in 5, in 6. Similarly, 0 is consonant. Why? Because 0 cannot be said other number. 6 is consonant. Why? Because 6 cannot be said as other number. So these numbers are fixed and these numbers will be called consonant. And since these numbers are real numbers and consonant also, so these numbers will be called real consonant. Any number will be called real consonant. And now variable. What is variable? The number which can be changed is variable. And variable always in the form of either in x or in y. X is here variable because the value of x is getting changed always. Sometimes the value of x is 1, sometimes the value of x is 0, sometimes the value of x is -4, sometimes the value of x is 1/2. Any form of number may be in place of x, so x is variable. X is variable. And now you will know about exponent. What is exponent? Exponent is very easy thing, a very easy point. Suppose there is x to the power q. You know x is variable. X is variable, and the power of this variable 3 is exponent. Here 3 is exponent of variable x. Exponent is also called degree or power. Power of variable is called exponent, and here 2 is attached to variable x. Here 2 it will be called coefficient. X is variable, 3 is power of variable, and 2 is coefficient of variable. I think you would have understood everything about real consonant, variable, exponent, coefficient. And now in details again I shall make you understand everything. Algebraic expression. Here there is example of algebraic expression 5x square plus 4. Here in 5x square plus 4, x is variable. You have already known about it. 2 is exponent, also called power or degree. 5 which is attached to variable x will be called coefficient, and 4 is here consonant. Consonant can't be changed. Here 5 is coefficient, 2 is exponent, 4 is consonant, x is variable, and whole is algebraic expression. And in this algebraic expression, in this example of algebraic expression, there are two algebraic operations also. First addition and second multiplication. Multiplication is hidden between 5 and x square. There are two algebraic operations here, and somewhere two left more operations means division and difference will be also. But here only there are two algebraic operations. And now I shall make you understand polynomial. What is polynomial? You will understand. Because you have already understood algebraic expression, real consonant, variable, exponent and coefficient. Now it is the turn of polynomial. Polynomial is an algebraic expression about which you understood algebraic expression. Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which exponent of variable must be positive integer. Must be positive integer. Here in algebraic expression, any number of power may be in algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, power may be positive, may be negative, may be in fraction, but in polynomial only and only positive integers. There are only positive integers. Positive integers must be, and 0 also can be. 0 also can be in the power of variable. And besides this, consonant must not be divided by variable. Consonant must not be divided by variable. Here you will see here in 1 by x. In 1 by x, consonant is 1 and x is variable. Here you are seeing consonant 1 is being divided by variable x. It should not be. Consonant should not be divided by variable. So it is not the example of polynomial. Here, in example of x by 1, here x is variable, 1 is consonant, and here variable is being divided by consonant. So it is the example of polynomial. Here, other example, x plus 2 by 3. Here x is variable, 3 is consonant, and variable is being divided by consonant. So it is the example of polynomial. And here 3 is consonant, x plus 2. In x plus 2, x is variable. So, and here consonant is being divided by variable. So it is not the example of polynomial. If there is negative integer of power, then polynomial will not be. If consonant is divided by variable, then polynomial will not be. And here you will see root x. Is root x polynomial? Not. It is not polynomial. Why? Because the value of root x is equal to x to the power half. And here you will see the power of variable x is 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 is not positive integer, it is fraction. So, root x will not be polynomial. Here, is 5 polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Why? Because why it is polynomial? Whereas there is no variable attached to 5. And we know that variable must be with consonant. Then there will be polynomial. And here there is no variable. Even then I am saying to you that 5 is polynomial. Why? Because 5 is equal to 5x to the power 0 plus 0. Here x to the power 0 is equal to 1. The value of x to the power 0 is 1. So you will see, if we put the value of x to the power 0 here, and when we shall multiply this, then result will come again 5 and plus 0. There is no value of 0. So the value of 5 is equal to 5x to the power 0 plus 0. Here you will see that in 5 everything you will find variable, degree, consonant and coefficient. Everything you are seeing. 5 is coefficient, x is variable, 0 is degree and again other 0 is consonant. So now 5 is also polynomial. Every integers are polynomial. Either 5, 8, 7, every integers are polynomial. And not only integers, but also every real number. Either they are negative, positive, in fraction, every real number is polynomial. 1 by 2 is also polynomial. Why? Because we can write 1 by 2 as 1 by 2 x to the power 0 plus 1. Here I write. Is 1 by 2 polynomial? Yes. Why? Because we can write 1 by 2 as 1 by 2 x to the power 0 plus 0. So you will see here everything you found. 1 by 2 is coefficient, x is variable, 0 is degree, and here other 0 is consonant. And there are two algebraic operations also. Here addition and here multiplication. So I think you would have understood everything, and now I shall make you understand about type of polynomial. Type of polynomial. You understand about type of polynomial? On the basis of terms. On the basis of terms, there are three types of polynomials. There are three types of polynomials on the basis of terms. First, monomial. The polynomial which is in one term. The polynomial which is in only one term is called monopolynomial. Example: x square, 5, 0, -2, 1 by 2. These are polynomials. And here you are seeing that they are only in one term. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. All are in one term. So they will be called mono. Example of monomial. These are the examples of monomial. And now second. Mono means one. You know. And now binomial. Bi means you know two. Bi means two. Here x plus 2, x square plus x. These are the example of binomial. Why? Because here you are seeing there are two terms, one term and two term, one term, two term. Here these examples of binomial. And now trinomial. Tri means here times 3. The polynomial which has 3 terms will be called trinomial. Example: x square plus x plus 1. X square plus x plus 1 is the example of trinomial because here there are 3 terms, one term, two term, three term. So this is the example of trinomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial has one term, binomial has 2 terms, and trinomial has 3 terms. And now other kinds on the basis of degree also called exponent or power. On the basis of degree, polynomial is also of 3 types on the basis of degree. Not 3 types. On the basis of degree, polynomial is of 4 types. 4 types. Okay. First, linear polynomial. The polynomial which has only 1 degree. In the polynomial, variable has only 1 degree. This is the example of linear polynomial. Suppose I wrote x plus 2. Here power of variable is 1. Here power of variable is 1. So these examples of linear polynomial. The polynomial in which variable has only 1 degree will be called linear polynomial. And both are linear polynomial, but this is monomial and this is binomial. This is monomial, this is binomial, and both are linear polynomial. And now second kind, quadratic polynomial. The polynomial in which the variable has degree 2. The polynomial in which variable has degree 2. Then such type of polynomial will be called quadratic polynomial, such as, for example, x square plus x square plus x plus 1. These are the examples of quadratic polynomial because here you are seeing power is only 2 and also power is only 2. Here power is 2, here power is 2, here power is 2. And also you will see power 1 is also power of x 1 also. But this power means 1 will not be counted because the smallest or smaller power is not be counted. Only biggest power is counted. So you have to ignore this power. Only you will count power 2. Here only power 2 in all three examples. So these are the examples of quadratic polynomial. Whereas on the basis of term, this is the example of monomial. This is the example of binomial. This is the example of trinomial. But all are example of quadratic polynomial because they have only degree 2. And now cubic polynomial. The polynomial in which variable has degree 3 will be called cubic polynomial. Example: x cube plus x square, x cube plus x square plus x, or also we can write this way. Okay, here you will see only degree is 3. Here you will see degree is 3. Here you will see degree is 3. Here you will see degree 3 and also 2 and also 1. But I have already said to you that a smaller degree or a smallest degree will not be counted. Only biggest degree will be counted. Here biggest degree is 3, so 3 will be counted. Here these are the examples of cubic polynomial. And in cubic polynomial, this is monomial, this is binomial, and this is trinomial. But all are example of cubic polynomial. And now by quadratic polynomial. Okay, the polynomial in which variable has only degree 4, the polynomial in which variable has degree only 4, then such type of polynomial will be called by quadratic polynomial. Example: x to the power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus 1. Okay,